How to fix Destiny 2 crashing on Steam, or the game keeps crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click on Destiny 2 and open up the properties window, and then under general tab under launch options you want to type -dx11 like this. Then you want to open up the installation path of the game, so it should be under installed files. And then you want to click on the verify the integrity of game files button and wait for this process to finish. It should take a while. Now once it's done, you want to click on the browse button, and this should open up the installation folder of the game. Find the game's exe file, right click on it, and then open up the properties window, and then go to the compatibility tab and check disable full screen optimizations and check run this program as admin. Click on apply and OK. Now you want to close Steam and open up your GPU application. So I have an NVIDIA GPU, and therefore I opened the NVIDIA app. Now you want to go to the drivers section and check for the latest updates and make sure to download the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. And once you do that, you should install it. Now, once the installation is complete, you should restart your system anyways, even if it don't ask you to restart your system. And once you restart your computer, you should run Steam as admin like this, right click and run as administrator. Then you should simply just launch the game, and that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.